What we're going to be covering right now is just the basics of how to run a mouth call. This is a diaphragm call. It consists of 3 different parts. We've got the tape, the frame, which is on the inside, and the latex reeds. And how we're producing sounds with this mouth call is we're going to lay it in our mouth, rest it on top of your tongue, with the tape going in, the longest reeds with the cuts on top, and the open end of the frame, or the horseshoe shaped part of the call, the open end, is going to be facing out towards the open end of your mouth. And you're just going to rest it on your tongue and gently press it up to the roof of your mouth. And what it's doing is this tape is creating a seal back in the palate of your mouth, in between your teeth, the roof of your mouth. So when you rest your tongue up on those latex reeds, you're going to be pushing that air through, causing these reeds to vibrate as the air is going across your tongue and in between those reeds, and that's how you're going to produce those sounds. And the way that you're going to get those changes in tones and everything is through pressure with your tongue and air pressure. The more air pressure that you push, you're going to get a higher tone, and the less air pressure and dropping your tongue, you're going to create that rasp on the back end. So if you're new with the mouth call, the first thing you want to do is try to just produce some sounds, get some different tones. And what I always try to tell people is get that first basic, that clear note, that high front end, that and then you're going to gently break it into that the raspy back end. And what I do is I'll move my tongue around and work on the air pressure till I finally get that tone that I'm looking for. And I'll just run that clear note as long as I can, and then I'll start working the rasp, and just by gently dropping my jaw on my tongue and increasing that air pressure. And then we'll speed it up. Now once you start getting those basic tones, you're going to work on your rhythms and cadence, get into that real turkey rhythm, and that's what I think is most important when it comes to any type of turkey call you're running. You want to get that rhythm and sound. Those hens have different pitches and tones, but you want to have that same exact rhythm, and that's where you're going to kill your turkeys.